Here's the Alexander setup. I got the little charging unit that it's green if the DI is good and bad if it's red. It was like less than $30, so that's tied in electronically. And then also I have the fancy $70 meter, so you can see that my DI is 0.4, temperature 59, pH around 6, and this is coming out of the DI. Well, actually this goes to the tank, so my tank is 4 here and the pH is 6, temperature is 60. Then I can change this mode, which goes to, there's either EF or CF, and hard to see, oh, ppm is 0.30. I guess that's good, guys. And the EC is 0.5. As long as it stays, you know, anything above 0, you're good. Last time I had 19 because I burned through the DI too much. Is something wrong? And so the RO's down here, comes out, it goes into the water. So now I turn my water on. There it is there. Water on. There's the waste coming out. Got the Tech 7 on there. So here I put the water on. There you go. And the pressure coming in, it's not a lot. It's what is it? 40 degrees, 40 psi. You can hear it going into the far tank. I got 2 float valves now, so they'll float up and then turn it off. But it won't turn the RO off. But at least keeps it from overflowing. Got my sprayer there. Got the battery up here, and so it's a double system. That gets this pump running. Love this little pump, and the back system working. And then this, it's the big 150 psi pump running, and we can adjust it to go up higher if I wanted to. Then I have a spare battery. We have a solar cell on top here. Best clamps around right there, stainless steel. So you can see the solar cell is up here. And then the 200, see the hose here, 2 here. So we can do a double system. All the SimPoles down here and up in the tubes. So, got the hog hair brush, 4 jets, and that really scrubs. I got a bigger one here we don't use as much. This is 16-inch, really good for solar cells. It has 4 and it has the metal tucker bar on the top of that. And then all my chemicals are here. Gotta redo the tucker brush today because I use walnut pads and wore them out. You can hear the water going in. Anyways, it's an efficient system, guys. The walnut pads, we done wore them out. Did wear them out. And another thing, everything rusts with DI, so I keep all my tubes here and spray them down with WD-40. Anyways, Alexander's 50 years clean windows. Nice sunny day here. Here's my pressure washing system. Haven't used that in 6 months. We have to pull that baby out.